Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your account on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password, and you will now be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to permanently delete your account and you don't wish to use the Bluesky app anymore, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. From the Settings page, tap on Account and you will now see the Delete Account option at the very bottom. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now be asked to verify your identity through your email. Tap on the Send Email button and you will now be asked to check your inbox to find the confirmation code. So just check your inbox and you will find this confirmation code which you can enter within the given box. After this, you will also need to enter your password in order to verify your identity. Once you enter both your confirmation code and your password, you can then tap on the Delete My Account button, and after you do this, you will be logged out from your Bluesky account on the application right away. After this, you will still have about 1 month until your account is permanently deleted. So if you change your mind at any point in time before 1 month has passed, then you can simply log back into your account to cancel the permanent deletion process. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.